everybody, we're back at it again with another video. Please, without further ado, please, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing before we do stuff. Today, we have a very interesting video. Oh, shucks, this thing is getting real, isn't it? Okay, this is new to me. I picked this up on eBay, or I don't know the price, but I put the price on the screen. And excuse the flies, they're everywhere, okay? It's monsoon season, it's Arizona. Check out this bad boy, yo. Oh my God! No blemishes on that camera. No blemishes on this camera. Good. Hey. So we have the GoPro, and of course, you cannot be boss without the max grip by GoPro. Yes, you can opt out and buy a cheaper tripod, but this is the invisible one. You shouldn't cheap out on the stand, alright? Just get the stupid tripod when you can afford it. This works with the max version, which is the upgraded one, but I got the old. I bought this used too as well. Off Amazon, comes with a brick. Brick's pretty scuffed up. Power cord. Nothing else inside the box. Boom, shot go right there. This is the budget version of the iPad, 128 gigs. Sweet video editing, software and hardware. This thing is actually pretty slick. I'm not gonna lie. What the heck?
Hey, that's pretty good.
Not bad for 200 and something bucks. There's absolutely no blemishes on it. None. Just fingerprints galore. I could see my bright future in this iPad actually.
Okay. And he's also the one that had another girlfriend while he was sleeping with you. Oh, for your free tarot reading.
I only have one SD card for now. I have another one coming tomorrow. You get an official GoPro cable. Shout out to the seller who sold this to me. You got the GoPro thingamabob that falls apart. You got another thingamabob. Probably falls apart. I'm guessing this is sticking out. I don't know. This is the cheapest way for you guys to get into 360 making videos. So if this is something that piques your interest, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe for more videos. And once we hit over 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway. Either be giving away my drone, giving away the iPad, maybe give away this thing. I don't know. All I'm trying to know is once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go big. That's pretty much it. We rushed into this video. I just wanted to hurry up and get this done so I can move on to the next part of my life, which is the next video. So please, thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Please comment below, like and subscribe if you haven't already.